Ozempic-style drugs have been life-changing for millions of Aussies fighting obesity, but their price tag puts them out of reach for many. Now, doctors are calling on the government to step in.
It's Australia's fitness failure. 1 in 3 Aussie adults living with obesity, leading to a push to shake up our weight loss regime with a little less gym and a little more jab.
Wegovy is one of the most effective medications that we have on the market to date.
Developed to combat diabetes, Ozempic and similar drugs like Wegovy could revolutionise our battle with the bulge, with growing calls to list them on the Pharmaceutical Benefits Scheme for weight loss, making them cheaper and more accessible. Currently, when prescribed for diabetes, a government subsidy via the PBS sees the cost of an Ozempic-style script drop dramatically from more than $130 to just $30. But when prescribed for weight loss, patients pay the full amount, sometimes as much as $150 a treatment. And with obesity more likely to affect people in lower socioeconomic areas, a PBS listing could be a game changer.
There's a health inequity, and the people who need this medication the most are the ones who can least afford it.
And while the cost of a PBS listing for these weight loss drugs is estimated at $400 million a year, obesity itself is costing us far more. Its estimated economic impact around $40 billion a year. Ozempic-style drugs coming with other benefits, reducing the risk of heart and chronic disease, as well as the social stigma around obesity.
There's this outdated notion that it's an individual's responsibility and they just have to eat less and move more. No, this is a chronic condition, just like we wouldn't blame the genetics of someone who had high blood pressure or high cholesterol.
And while concerns remain about side effects, including rebound weight gains, advocates say a PBS listing still makes sense.
If a medication is effective, then we need it to be available, accessible, and in consideration of long-term use.
But for now, Aussies wanting Ozempic to fight obesity are being forced to pay a high price for health.